Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught it in hit. Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught it in hit. I just want pull up in coops. I just want more for loose. I just be dripping in cool. I just be tripping in news. Kick it with goons. I just be smoking the fumes. I just might fly to the moon. I just get high like balloons. I just be out making moves. I just be sipping that juice. I just be spending for loose. I just be dripping in juice. I just be wet like I'm pools. I just don't care about no rules. I'm just a far with a tool. I just be killing you news. All of my guns hit that blue. Fortnite I'm getting a loot. Dropping the top on my coupe. Coupe and it came with no roof. Yeah, I just give it my juice. Say I hit a lick. Alhamdulillah. Oh, you're getting dead. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah,
All right, James, where are we going right now, man?
A dry lake because the Rangers shut us down, man. They're trying to cancel everything, bro.
Already?
The no fun patrol, bro.
Oh my God. All right, we are out here in Ocotillo Wells. We were supposed to be at Hell Track, but shit happens. So now we're just going to various locations out here. It's absolutely beautiful. There's so much to do.
Going absolutely bonkers. Just skying the thing like a breaching shark.
I'd die alone. Another 6 months of the unknown. Give all my things to all my friends. You'll never step foot in my room again. Close it off, board it up. Remember the time that I spilled the cup of apple juice in the hall. Please tell Mom this is not her fault.
We're just hanging with the boys on a Sunday out here in Ocotillo. This is Devil Slide right here. We went around earlier, hit a couple spots over yonder, but I mean, man, look how many people are here.
How much longer until someone breaks some shit?
I don't know. Honestly, this isn't like, it's not. I mean, it's a big jump, but it's like it's pretty mellow. I mean, it's only a matter of time, you know. So we'll see. Dean already broke his transmission. He's out here blowing trannies again. He just loves blowing trannies, man.
How's it going, man? I heard you blew a tranny already.
It still works.
Yeah?
First gear, great.
It's functional.
Yeah, functioning.
Last day of the rest of my life, I wish you would've known, cause I didn't kiss my mama goodbye. I didn't tell her that I loved her, how much I care. To thank my pops for all the cards and all the ways that we share. Unaware, I just did what I always do. Every day the same routine before I skate up to school. But who knew that this day
So we overcome a lot of hurdles with LACR. So we came to my buddy Brett Ferguson and Morgan Peralt's compound here in Ocotillo Wells, where everyone got together that was going to Hill Track and literally found some sick booters from 10 o'clock until right now. We have been charging and it was epic. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Follow Gravel Kings on Instagram, subscribe to their YouTube, and just wait for some more badass content to come because we got a lot more in store.
من بيت البيت ويقل اعطيني بوسه يلحقها من بيت البيت ويقل اعطيني بوسه بسبوسه عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسه بسبوسه عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسه يلحقها من بيت البيت ويقل اعطيني بوسه يلحقها من بيت البيت ويقل